Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can add pie chart right here in our Microsoft Excel right here. All right, first we want it to block everything like that. Block it. Let me go back again and block it. Then we're going to go right up here to the insert tab and you're going to click. Now when you click, you're going to come right inside it. That's a chart. Now this is set for the pie chart. You notice I can select any one of these pie chart. I'm going to select this one. You notice I can come right at the end, size it up like that. I can put the cursor here along the left side and move it. You can also click right here and put in the chart title. Alright. You can actually change that. Somebody might not familiar. That's a good change. Alright, so I could say school right here. And that's it right here. So I want to add data label to everything. So right click. I come all the way down and say add data label. You notice. I come right here and click. If you notice right here, it show the different stuff right here. I can come back up here and I can also move that. I can also add another stuff with it and all that. So this is how you actually add a pie chart right here in your Excel document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.